Now that you know how to get into shadow position, we'll give you 3 different easy exits to get out of shadow position. For the first one, it's going to be called a push out exit. So all of these start by breaking forward on 1, which looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. By push out, I'm going to use my left hand to give some resistance to Hannah's frame to push her to her right as I step to my left. I'm going to do a step tap, and I'm going to step tap back towards her and also bringing my arm above my head around like this to get into close position. Looks pretty easy, looks pretty cool. This is one of the first exits I learned when I first started doing shadow position. So we'll do it from my perspective and also yours. 5, 6, let's break forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use my left to give a little push. 5 and 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3.
So after we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, and we feel that our partner has pushed us to the side, we know now that this hand is going to be free for at least a couple of counts so we can do something with it. And we can just do a simple pluma here. So as with everything, because we want our arms to go up, we need to do the opposite and bring our arms down first. So we'll just swoop down across our body and up. And again, just an extra level of styling. Follow that movement with your head and your eyes. And then as we get pulled back in, because we've got resistance here, so we can feel now that Tam wants me to come back and just look for our partner's stomach here.
Okay, let's do it again from your perspective. So in shadow position, break forward. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, and pull in. 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, now we're going to teach you the double spin exit. It looks like this. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3. Okay? And so it sounds exactly what it looks like. Or it is exactly what it sounds like. 1, 2, break forward and prep. And notice how on this prep, I'm going to bring my body back a bit because I want to spin her the other way. Without this prep, you could still do it. It just doesn't have the same smoothness as you can, okay?
You need momentum for this one.
You need momentum. So we're going to go 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay? I like to do that extra styling at the end. You could just go back into open position, which is fine, but I like bringing that arm over my head and my hand makes contact with her back in order to do one of those salsa-like breaks to get back into a bachata basic, okay?
So here for the followers, as always, frame and resistance is essential. When we're doing anything more than a basic turn, we need to make sure that we've got our frame nailed here. So again, we want to engage our core and bring the arm just in front of your face. Don't let it go too far this way and don't race ahead of your arm in anticipation. Lots of resistance in this arm as we do our turns. And as always, we have our spot, and our partner's a perfect spot for this one, so pick their face.
Very nice. Let's practice together from your perspective. 5, 6, break forward, slow. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3, 5, and 7, 8. 1, 2, break forward, prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. If I don't block her, she continues doing that double spin exit. However, I did block her, which forces her to go in the opposite direction that she was already going, hence the block. So let's show you this again. 5, 6, very slow. 1, 2, break forward and stop here. I'm prepping her just like I did in the double spin. I'm going to spin her once here and make contact with her shoulder to block her here, to stop the spin. And I'm going to use this momentum to give her a spin in the opposite direction that she was already going, okay? But that block is very important. The timing of the block is important and how firm and direct and clear that block is. If the block is not clear, the follow will be confused, as with all signals in bachata.
And just for the followers for this one, it is just reading signals and learning what these movements mean. We kind of second guess ourselves a lot and think, oh, this couldn't possibly be a thing. I'm just going to do what I think it should have been originally. But trust your first instinct. If you feel something here, just go with that motion. Really relax into the signals that you're being given.
Yeah, one of our philosophies at Bachata Library is to not memorize moves, but really feel what the signals that the lead and follower are trying to give each other, okay? So if you feel that block, and even if you've never seen it before, I want you to trust your instinct, like Hannah said, and make sure that you follow what the leader is trying to tell you, okay? So 5, 6, all together. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3. Let's try it again from your perspective. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Very nice. Those are 3 different exits. Let's do all of them together. Okay? So let's break forward. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Push and pull in and basic. 2, 3. Next one is the double spin exit. This is the one without a block. So let's break forward on 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, over my head and basic. 2, 3. And lastly, the one is the fake out block exit. That's where we do block the follow while she's doing her spin. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7, 8, and basic. 2, 3. So we have a variety of different options on how to exit. Choose the one that's your favorite and challenge yourself to do the others that are a bit more difficult for you, okay?
If you like this video, you're going to love our course, Bachata Library.
Bachata Library.
You're going to love our online course, or you're going to love our course?
You're going to love Bachata Library.
If you like this course, you're going to love... What?
If you like this video.
If you like this course...
I'm so bad.
You have one line. I give you the easiest line.
If you like this video, you're going to love our online course, Bachata Library.
It's a step-by-step playbook that took us 2 years of designing and iterating to help students from around the world master sensual bachata. You can get a link to our free training down below in the description, and we hope to see you guys inside the community.
I think I fucked up the end. I thought you were going to say inside Bachata Library, and I wanted to join in.